My Ebonyi people, make una gather here. Oh, now make me come out today. Hey, our INEC offices, they finish all of them. And una supposed know by now wetin e mean. No, I no need talk by now. As una hear say INEC office burnt down, una supposed know wetin e mean. And na 2 offices for Ebonyi State. 2. They no even get mercy or pity. Say okay, maybe we just do one first. And 6 vehicles wey been dey the compound. Finish. Everything to ashes. Everything. And according to matter wey reach me, they say na unknown people. The way these people sabi garnish some kind things. Unknown people. I bring her. May no be like say na only me see something waka pass. Abeg, join me make we watch the video.
This is the office burnt. The office burnt. The roof is gone. The office is gone. This is the roof, emptied. Look at everywhere. We are even afraid of entering because the walls, all the walls have cracked and they are collapsing. That is it.
You shock una. Even I even hear say they even burned one of their offices too for Akwa Ibom. Apart from this one I just watch. Akwa Ibom own too. Bam, they don't burn her. And all these things one they see. All these things one I just watch. Our beloved president is in France. They do a triumphant entry. In France president and in first lady, they welcome her. Una no. I will put the video where they watch. Hey, no, una see am. Buhari dey France as Nigeria dey hot like this. He dey France. They even open door for am. They put a carpet. They welcome am. They shame. I never see president wey behave like our own. I never see. So I don't know. I don't know if not only me, but Buhari dey vex you too. Because the cat is what they explain. No be wetin this man they do. And now wetin they make me they tire for a matter like this. With all the things where they happen for Nigeria, and they suspect some things. I don't know why, but something is smelling in this matter. Something. Una sure say 2023 election go happen like this. First question. No look say we still have 1 year. Hey, 1 year. The same way they far, as way they near. 2021 don't already finish. Una sure say election go happen like this. These people they don't start they plan their script for failed election. Before you know now they go come outside. My fellow Nigeria. Sorry, I don't copy Ghana people. My fellow Ghanaians, Alpha. I feel user. They go just come outside. My fellow Nigerian. Due to the circumstances of the now so they go they speak big grammar. The 2023 election cannot hold again, so we have to. They don't plan their script. Una they sit down, they lick mango. Relax. Now till you hear say these people will rule again. Oh. Anything where they happen now from these people government, now from them. Everything where see, I don't need any explanation. Hey, keep on. They think say they wise. We are wiser. Government, Buhari government, I hail una. I hail una because now una they do the most. Una think say we go just sit down, they accept anything where you bring. Una want extend the election now until 2027 and rule for more years. Una don't start the strategy. We know, but una know wetin. Our God big pass una. God no go shame us. That 2023 election. If una like burn the whole Nigeria, we go you. I bet how did they vote holding days when all this technology never come out? We must do. We must find a way and do our own. Nigeria don't hot. But my question now be say, if everywhere they like this, election never even come. Before election, everywhere they like this. Wetin we go expect during election? That's if the election finally happen. People go lose their lives. People go lose properties. People go... My people. Now why we need to start a pray? Because if by now, see as everywhere don't scatter. Nigeria now, see, are they very serious? Everywhere don't scatter. We need to start prayer. Egbadura. Because anyhow, God go protect us as usual. As He don't protect us since Abi. So my people, I say make I bring this one. Because I dey suspect many things. Wetin you dey think? Because una opinion to me matter. Na wetin I dey here for. So abeg, start dey drop am for that comment section. And don't forget to share this video. Abeg, many people no know say this thing don shele. And they don't know the reason why e shele. Now why una need share this video? Very, very important. And click on that notification bell too so that you no go miss interesting big guests like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.